Assalamu alaikum wa ahlan wa sahlan fikum. That's Arabic for hello and welcome. My name is Jacob Korenblum and I'm part of the team that's running a venture called Souktel. Souktel is a service that matches young people who are looking for jobs with employers who have jobs to offer, and we do it over SMS and on the web. If you are a young person who is unemployed and you're in the Middle East region, which is where we're working right now, you can send a short little SMS message to our service. The message just says, "Sign me up," and you get a series of questions and answers over SMS that allow you to create what we call a mini CV or a mini profile. It's not as extensive as a full length or a resume, but it answers some questions about where you're located, what skills you have, your educational background, when you're available to work, so on and so forth. A series of SMS questions and answers comes to you, and at the end you have a beautiful mini CV that's created that goes in our database. From the other side of the coin, if you're an employer and you have a job to post, you can fill out a similar series of SMS questions and answers, and that creates a mini job ad. Same type of information is in the ad. It's pretty basic: where the job is, what skills are needed, what time of day. But once you're finished with that, it gets uploaded in the database as well. And then job seekers and employers can search for each other. If you're a job seeker, you can send an SMS that says search, look at vacancies according to the location, the sector, the years of experience required, and so forth. If you're an employer, you can look for a staff member by just SMSing search staff. And then again, you get CVs of people who are in your region or in the sector that you're working in, and so on. If you want a more precise set of information, you can also text "match me." And this is really the sort of core value add of what we do. From your phone, you can get a direct match. Somebody who meets, if you're an employer, someone who meets the exact criteria you've posted for the job that you're offering, or for a job seeker, a job that meets the exact criteria of your little CV. Right now we operated in the Middle East, in Palestine. We're moving into Jordan and Egypt as well, but we want to share this technology with other people in other parts of the world. We have about 5,000 job seekers that use the service every month. We match on average 400 people in a month with employment or internships or training opportunities. And we do a lot of follow-up with the people who use our service to see how it's helping them versus the traditional ways of finding a job. The region that we operate in has really low internet usage, but really high mobile phone usage and really high network coverage as well. There aren't a lot of ways to find a job or staff. There's no government services, there are no newspaper ads, there are very few. Internet websites don't really exist. So what we're finding is that this is a really compelling way for mobile technology to play a role in linking these people together in the labor market. It's a unique environment that we work in. There's a lot of rural areas where people have to travel long distances to get information. We have traditional families as well, where young women typically don't travel outside their homes long distances. So to be able to have technology in the palm of your hand that's basic, it works on any kind of phone handset, don't need a special phone, and it allows you to get information that will help you advance your life. Or if you're an employer, information that will help you grow a small business, because we work with employers from the corner store kiosk owner to right up to Coca-Cola manufacturers. Our people who use our service say that this is really valuable information. So we're trying. We're a small team. We're young. We are all Palestinian and Canadian as well, and we've been doing this for about 3 years now. We started it as just a pet project, and it grew, and we got some funding for it, and it grew some more. Now we work in partnership with 4 universities, 2 technical colleges, and about 10 international organizations. I think in general, being here at Mobile Active is a wonderful way to look at some of the fascinating things that other people are doing. I mean, we're very focused in what we do. We just look at, the job market and SMS, but looking at things like IVR, interactive voice response, some of the WAP and Java applications that are coming out. I mean, mobile as a medium has so much potential, and it's exciting to be part of this and looking forward really to seeing where it goes in the future.